All right, so let's imagine you guys are out and about. As you guys know, I have 3 kids here with us. But usually when we're all together, my wife has the key, right? She walks out to the car, she puts her hand in the handle, and it just unlocks her door. Then I got my little kids here in the background. They're yanking on the handles, trying to put their foot up, trying to get open because it's raining, it's cold, wherever the case is. Well, wouldn't it be nice if my wife puts her hand in the handle, then all the doors unlocked? Well, you can set it up, and let me show you how to do that right now. All right, so here we are right inside the vehicle with the home touchscreen now. From there, we're gonna select settings. From settings, we're gonna select vehicle. From vehicle, we're gonna go down to keyless access setup. All right, now we get door unlock mode right here. Driver's side door only, put my hand in the handle, only the driver. All doors, I put my hand in the handle, all doors automatically unlock. Wada bing, wada boom.